Hi Pukius. Am back. I made cupcakes. Eat up. Here's some tea as well. Did you like the cupcakes and tea? BTW, I won't be ranting in this vid.cuz. I have no ideas yet. Oh, you finished bought your cupcakes. Okay. Throw the wrapper here. Here's a plushie for company. This is the chronic.cane bunny from Plushie Dreadfuls. Plushie Dreadful S. is one of my favorite brand. This bunny is my favorite. Not an ad. Oh. Is the music too loud? Okay, I'll stop it. Better. If that's it for this rant. See you in my next rant. And Mel is out.